Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam apportioned some wealth among the people, leaving a person of them who has my favorite among them all. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is the reason that you did not grant so and so anything? By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I consider him a believer. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, or a Muslim. Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu says, I remained quiet for some time. Then I could not be patient and again submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you did not grant so and so anything, who by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, according to my lights, is a believer. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, or a Muslim. Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu said, I observed silence for some time. Then I could not show patience and I submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you are not granting anything to so and so, whereas by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I consider him to be a believer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, or a Muslim. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then explained, I give someone a thing fearing lest Allah Jalla Jalaluhu cast him face down in hell, though the other person is dearer to me than he is. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 377.